Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My talent, it is something that our part of our childhood experience. And it is something that every time we see it, we always smile and we always amaze. I'm performing this talent not just to impress everyone, but also to give something that I learned in my life. Música, por favor. I have not, that this talent, it is something that you will not amaze because we know it's been part of our life. But I'm doing this talent because I wanted to tell you that I learned something in my life and I will share it to you. 10 years ago, I have dreamed something about myself and I did it by myself. But sad to say, something very bad happened to me. It was very traumatic, and I thought that I nearly end of my life. But one day, I woke up and I realized that all of us here tonight, there is something magic inside with us. We all have power. I am 22 years of age. I have been to 44 countries already in my life. I am saying this to you to remind to all of you na kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin. Dahil sa buhay natin, palagi natin makatandaan na everything in this world is possible. So let's fulfill our fantasy and let's make our dream come true. Thank you so much and good evening.